Okay, we're going to solve this equation. As we can see, here we have this parentheses, and likewise, here we have this parentheses. And for this parentheses, we have a -4 in front. Take care of the parentheses first, alright? Do not do 6 minus 4 first. Don't do that. That's the wrong order of operation. Right here, be sure you distribute. Take the -4, multiply inside, okay? This 6 will stay the same for now. And now, -4 times 3y is -12y, right? And next, -4 times -2, it's going to be positive because negative times negative is positive. 4 times 2 is 8, so we have this right here. And now let's bring down the equal sign. And for this 2 in front of this parentheses, we do the same thing. Distribute. 2 times 5y is 10y. 2 times -11 is -22. And then at the end, we'll bring this down, plus 36. As you can see, this is the equal sign right here. Here it's considered the left-hand side, and here is considered the right-hand side. We are going to combine like terms on one side first, on the same side, alright? So on the left-hand side, we see we have the 6 plus 8. They are just both numbers, so we can combine them together. This is -12y. Let's write it down first. Let's just try to write down the term that has the variable first. Okay, so let's bring down the -12y. 6 plus 8 is plus 14, right? 6 plus 8 is 14, so we have the plus 14. Now bring down the equal sign. On the right-hand side, we see that we have -22 plus 36. So these two numbers have to be combined. Let's bring down the 10y first. And you see that -22 plus 36 is plus 14, okay? And now, as a good habit, you should move all the variables from the right to the left, and then move all the numbers from the left to the right. With that being said, here we have a 10y on the right-hand side. Let me minus 10y on both sides, so that this and that will be cancelled. Do the same thing on the left-hand side, okay? And here we have this number, which is 14. Let's go ahead and minus 14, so that this and that will be cancelled. And do the same thing right here, minus 14. And now, let's take a look. Here we have -12y minus 10y. Combine these coefficients, the numbers in front. -12 minus 10 is -22. And that's still the y term, so bring down the y like this, alright? -22y. And that should be equal to, we have 14 minus 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. Okay, we didn't do anything wrong. It just happened to be 0 like this. At the end, be careful with this. This means we have -22 times y. So in order for me to get rid of the -22, we will have to divide by -22. So let's go ahead and do that. Divide this by -22, and then do the same thing right here. Divide this by -22. This and that will be gone. And we will just have the y. This will be equal to, now what's 0 over -22? When we have a 0 on the top over a non-zero number like this, the answer to that is just 0. Y is equal to 0. And this right here is the solution to the equation. Once again, when you have 0 on the top, then the answer is 0. When you have 0 on the bottom, that's not defined. Alright? Anyway, this is it.